Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav has taken strict action against A.K. Jain, Chief General Manager of Madhya Pradesh Central Power Distribution Company. Jain had issued an order warning that if farmer received electricity for more than 10 hours, operator salaries would be cut. CM Mohan Yadav said our government is committed to farmers' welfare. If farmers must get 10 hours of power, they will get it. He also warned that officers giving wrong orders would face action. After his clear directions, A.K. Jain was immediately removed from his post. The Madhya Pradesh government will hold grand celebrations for the 150th anniversary of India's national song Vande Mataram. CM Dr. Mohan Yadav and the BJP will organize events at 10 major places across the state. Party President Hemant Khandelwal said each program will have at least 150th participants. The entire song written by Bankim Chand Chattopadhyay will be sung. The celebration will take place on November 7th. BJP's central leadership has also directed that such events be held across India to honor the spirit of the nation. A young man from Sindhi district of Madhya Pradesh faced shocking humiliation in Surat, Gujarat. The accused, identified as Bhola Bhai, forced him to lick his feet, slapped him repeatedly and pulled his hair at knife point. Two disturbing videos of the incident have gone viral on social media. The youth has been missing since the attack. His worried father has left for Gujarat to search for him. The family claims he went there for work but was tortured by his employer. Police are investigating the case after the video surfaced. Serious negligence has come to light in Khargone, Madhya Pradesh. Hundreds of new Aadhaar cards which were supposed to be delivered to citizens were found dumped in bushes near Dabaria Road, about 5 km from the city. Locals noticed the scattered cards belonged to the resident of Sanjay Nagar and Rajendra Nagar areas. They informed journalists and the SDM immediately. The cards were reportedly thrown away by postal staff instead of being delivered. The district administration has ordered an inquiry. People are angry over such careless behavior from government workers. A woman named Rukhsar from Dhar district has embraced Sanatan Dharma and married a Hindu youth, Vishal Rajput, from Khandwa. She changed her name to Vanshika after marriage. The couple tied the knot at Mahadevgarh temple following full Vedic rituals. Vanshika said she was inspired by Hindu culture since childhood, used to wear saris, visit temples and observe Navratri. She also pledged to live accordingly to the teaching of Ramcharitmanas. Their marriage has drawn attention, with many praising the couple's decision to follow their faith peacefully and legally. A 32-year-old man, Sandeep Songria from Indore, died suddenly after returning from the gym. He had eaten a half-fried egg when he started feeling severe acidity and chest discomfort. While being taken to the hospital, he fainted and doctors declared him dead on arrival. The cause of death was confirmed as a heart attack. Doctors believe heavy exercise without proper rest or medical checkup may have caused the sudden attack. The incident has shocked local gym goers, and experts are advising people to take health checkup before heavy workouts. 4 people, including a 14-year-old boy, died in a tragic road accident in Dindori district on the Jabalpur-Amarkantak highway. Their bike collided head-on with a trolley truck late at night. All 4 riders died on the spot. The truck driver fled immediately after the crash. Police reached the accident site and started an investigation. Locals gathered in large numbers and demanded strict action against the absconding driver. The victims were returning home from a family event. The tragedy has left their village in deep shock and mourning. Cold weather has started to spread across Madhya Pradesh after recent rain. In Gwalior Chambal, the temperature has fallen below 18 degrees Celsius at night. Light rain and drizzles are expected today in Jabalpur, Narmadapuram and Shahdol division, while Bhopal, Indore and Ujjain will see bright sunshine. Meteorologists said the state will gradually move into a winter phase within a week. Fog has begun to appear in northern districts during early mornings. People have started wearing light woolens as cold winds blow across parts of the state.